What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark with Not Your Father's Capital. Let's get into a very hot topic, some Bitcoin breaking news. We're going to get you guys a major update as we get into some analyst opinion when we talk about this Bitcoin halving that's approaching, okay? And I know you guys are not searching too wholeheartedly for that Bitcoin halving because it is miles away, but it will be here before you know it, guys. So I wanted to get this video out for you. But before we get down into it, make sure you guys are all firmly subscribed down below. Smash that like button as well. But let's get into what I came here to talk about. All right, and this is where the Bitcoin halving will take the Bitcoin price. Now, 3 analysts are going to get into their prediction. And then at the end of this video, guys, I'm going to give you mine as well. So make sure you all stick around and let's get into it. So what we're seeing is, and for those of you that do not know, it basically every 4 years, the Bitcoin halving comes around, and it is a huge event within crypto. In the three previous halving events that Bitcoin reduced their supply led to price increases in the following months. But historically, it's been kind of a mixed bag because, yes, it does by sheer tokenomics, but it actually historically has been a little bit red within what we see within the Bitcoin halving. Now, what we have within this, guys, is the fact that it has huge implications for the larger scale of Bitcoin, right? It's something where you look into this being principle. It's written in its code. It's something where, you know, when we talk about these, you know, very much subjective things that happen within crypto, the Bitcoin halving events are locked in, guys. They are locked in, and this is something where it really is going to play into the role. If you ever talk to somebody who's only invested into Bitcoin, you really truly can understand the tokenomics until you have that conversation. Okay, but what we're seeing is this is where Bitcoin's price could rally, according to an analyst, about 60K to 100K by the end of the year based on the historical pricing effects of halvings, all right? And then another person within the space does not think that the halving will have such an effective response as previous halving cycles, okay? Also, seeing a potential shift in the 4-year market cycle for Bitcoin as well, but because of how corporate involvement is lying within Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, so that's kind of what we're seeing. But also taking a price prediction out of the equation, Gupta, one of the analysts that we're talking about, is seeing that he expects another bull run after the halving in April. However, Bitcoin will surpass its previous all-time high of 69K. So those are coming down from DeFi Operations Director Rishiba Gupta, and what we're seeing from another analyst, Taras Kulik, founder of CEO of Sunnyside Digital. So a couple analysts that we're talking about, as well as another one that says that, you know, not really with a price prediction, but it's more so of everything that's integrated within the price dynamics in Bitcoin. So it's kind of curious within how we're getting into the Bitcoin ETFs and how much undervalued I think the Bitcoin halving event is as we approach this this date here in April, which is, guys, it's going to be kind of one of the events that tips the scales, I think, for crypto, because then we're going to segue into the political stuff when we talk about elections and regulation within crypto. And those are a few of the stories that we're going to be breaking down in 2024. But overall, it's going to be a huge, fascinating year for crypto. So buckle up. For those of you that have not yet done so, though, guys, make sure you all are subscribed down below here on YouTube as well as on X. But my personal opinion, and obviously not to be confused with financial advice, but if we did get into this Bitcoin halving, I think 69K is kind of right on the money. I think getting into April, I would not be shocked if we saw 60+ thousand for Bitcoin happen. It's something where it's going to be a huge buy the rumor, sell the news event potentiality. I think that's on the table for sure. Whether we can sustain those levels or just have them short-lived is yet to be determined. But guys, Bitcoin killed it in 2023, and it's just continuing to do what it needs to do in 2024. So thanks again for watching. Remember to subscribe down below, like I said, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.